welcome to the another session of Facebook marketing with Buzztown Confess. Today I will be discussing about the like campaign. How can you gain likes on your Facebook page, Facebook business page? So this is the major pain in the market as of now, that brands are struggling to get likes. When I say likes, that means the genuine likes, the likes which stays with the page, the likes and followers which is build up engage with the content of the page. Because the fake likes which people used to gain from the tools are not more anymore acceptable. From Facebook algorithm, they get reduced to the original number, or they are being deleted by Facebook. So now but one thing is always good, that the Facebook ad manager allows you to run your campaign for your brand page and gain more likes. So it's easy, it's can be executed in number of steps. It's not more than that. So let's start. The only thing you need, that you must have an your personal account, personal Facebook account, and you must have the brand page of of your company, of your brand. So this is our blog page, Buzztown Confess, and also it will be appreciable if you can like this page as well, just as a contribution. And so once you log in into your personal account, then from this drop down option, you can go to advertising on Facebook. So once you click on it, you will get the window like this, that you will be landing to your ad manager dashboard. Yeah, it's as simple as it is. You will get this interface. If you are an existing advertiser, or even a new advertiser, would just get some notifications to set up their ad manager account if it's going in the first time. So if you land on this dashboard, so here's the direct button under campaigns account. So this is account overview. There are chances that you might land on this as well, and this is the campaigns. So if you are on the campaign tab, you just create a new campaign, you just click on it, and from here, so you have to select the objective of the campaign is engagement. So engagement is used for various purposes. One engagement is that you want engagement with your page, you want engagement with your followers, you want engagement on your post. So I'm going for the page likes, of course. So I'll give you a page name, say B Town Likes. Yeah, so I'm giving this a campaign name. Click on the continue. So here you will be landed on to a second step, which is ad set name. You can give any name whatever you feel like suitable to you. So I am giving here page likes. Yeah, so other settings are loading, so it takes some bit time depending on the network speed. Now you have to select your Facebook page here associated with the account. So I have going to run for Buzztown Confess. So I'll select Buzztown Confess from my list. Yeah, and then here's the main thing, whatever you are selecting. So option, you have two choices. You can also use save audience if you have already saved audience in the under this ad manager, and you can create new. So I'll just opt create new, and I'll just from here you can enter geographic location, in which geographic area you want the people to follow your page, to like your page. I want, say, from India. I'll just type, and it will suggest that you want India. Next is the age. So I can as per my service and product, I can think what is the the age of the follower which I want for my page. So suppose I'm selling, say, jeans online, so I'll say 18 to 30 is my target audience. This is, or say 35 is the target audience. Then I can select gender. Either I want to target both men and women, or only men or women. So depending on our the approach, you can just select what is the gender targeting. Language, you can of course select as per your convenient what is. So I'll keep English, because I'm just expecting that my all information is more for the English speaking languages. Now here is the detailed targeting. So Facebook provides you option. From browse, you can select the demographics and everything. From interest, you can just analyze the behavior, and you can just hit and trial. And then from the behaviors there are more classification based on the categories, affinity, purchase behavior. So kind of, so once you have selected your targeting from all these available measures directly, or you can browse some of interest from here which you cannot find in the list, in the autofill list. You can search for them, like say I must be searching for guest posting if it is available. No, so I can search for bloggers. Yeah, so here it is. So say I would be blogger service for my target audience. And even I would like to target couple of digital marketers or people who having interest in digital marketing can also be my target audience when I'm looking something to promote service on my and you can add more like digital marketer as well. So I'm looking for bust on Confess. So considering that my services are the digital marketing training, so all those interests, and then I can also categorize. So this targeting is the most important aspect. What interest you are targeting, what affinity you are trying to reach them, and what is the demography of the target audience. So even the education qualification can be the prime for my industry. So I would say like people who are having or pursuing secondary education, or say who are graduates, I mean graduate or in graduate college, can be my target audience, who would be like looking for some part-time courses, for some I mean any professional courses and diploma degree, career oriented degree. So these all things fall under my audience. So I would be checking that the people who are more into this demography, those who are more into this educational level, are more relevant to um, relevant to my targeting. So I can just select that when they have what is the education graduation year. So I would say that those who have passed or appearing since 2011 to say 2016 or 17 would be my target audience, people who have done graduation in this year. Yeah, and then you can exclude pages audience, those who are following your pages, but then I would like to include them because that is not a huge base. Then now here comes the placement, that whether you want to show your ad from either on Facebook, either on Instagram, audience network and messenger. Guys, this is for the new advertisers, that you can advertise on Instagram from the Facebook you know advert manager, as you can see. And if you select any of this, then you have to select more detail into that. If you want to target Facebook, what are the placements, means you want to target Facebook news feed or Facebook. So I'm just targeting here Facebook news feed, and I'll deselect all other things. Then you can select the devices where you want based on the system. So I'm not giving this cost control option because I want more, and then I'm keeping daily budget say 300 rupees. So it depends all all on your requirement. This is just a dummy campaign which I'm setting up for you guys. And once I provide these basic details, I will click on continue. Then it will take me to the ad page. So this ad page basically contains um, what type of creative you want to target, what is uh, the campaign medium you want. Basically you want either single or carousel or something. So although it's a page like campaign, so you won't have any option of the carousel. So you can just only upload either single image or video which would go with your post, the Facebook profile, page profile, it will go with that. So there is some automatic video which is it's picking up from my profile, so I'll let it do. And then here it will be the preview of your how it would seems like to be. So you can change this text like say Buzztown Confess is one of the prime institute for digital marketing classes. Pardon for this typo error, I'll just correct it. Yeah, so this is the preview of your how your ad would look like, yeah, on the mobile. And then you can also check on how it will look like on desktop. So there's an automated button of CTA, that is like page, which is the your campaign motto. And then you can track your Facebook traffic on your page as well. So there's a pixel code tracking pixel code, which I'll cover in another session, how to implement pixel code on your website, and how to link it with Google Tag Manager to track all the performances and conversions on your website. So once these all things are done, you can confirm. And finally, you are ready to go live with your campaign. If you have your billing settings done, it's just that the campaign would be review maximum for 24 hours. Like you can see, this is the new campaign which I have structured. It's getting published, so this is the publishing icon. So once it's published, it will go under review, and for maximum 24 hour. So generally it goes live in 1 or 2 hour itself. So once it will start delivering, you can see the details which you have set up. And if you feel like that there are any changes, you can anytime go on to either campaign or ad set level, click on this edit icon. So you can get the setting of the campaign, where you can make the changes as per your requirement, which is called as optimization. You can change the audience, you can change anything, whatever the settings you have done, all the major things, it can be controlled again from your end. So yeah, and even if you want to change the creative, you can do going on the ad level and change the creative. So yeah, it's loading. Although you can change all those settings, you can change this creative, you can change the text. Yeah, so you can see the preview here again, which are showing there. So that's it, guys. I guess I was able to make you in a quick and short journey, but make you able to understand how the like campaigns is structured, how the like campaigns is executed. If you feel any assistance, do drop us your reply and response in form of comment. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe this video. This is very important for us, and this is the only contribution which we ask from you. And I'll be coming up with more these type of tutorials, and without any cost, I'll be try to help you out, guys. And I'll go more deeper into the campaign in my next session with the pixel code tracking and everything. Okay, stay tuned. Creating a buzz. Bye bye, see you.